Okay, guys, and I got the Avenger double pack, guys. I had this one once, but I sold it. I should have kept it, but I'm glad they released it again. This is last year. It says Avenger versus Avenger, Nitro Neon, Monster Jam. Here's the back. Blue Thunder, Bat News. I already have those. I don't care. They're just painted tires. I have the normal ones. Dragon and Sparkle Smash have those. I want this Max D 20th anniversary after 10th on you. Or 20th, I don't know. There it is. And the Toro Loco, which I own already. It's with the new body. So yeah, Series 33. This is this year, I think. I'm not sure. Let's go ahead and open this, guys. Let's go ahead and open it. Sorry, guys. I have to pause it. Okay, here we go. Take these off. Let's start with the Nitro Neon, because we know what, I'll show the Nomad anyways. It is Avenger, Koan, Monster Jam logo, purple roll cage, green tires, like a light purple rims and beadlocks, white flames with the duck they always use in the back, which is bizarre. The sponsor though, Avenger. I love the color on this thing, and then the skull with the pink eyes, pretty nice. Glad I found these. And let's go to the Nomad, which is a World Finals one. Avenger, guys, says Koan on the side. Orange rims and beadlocks, gray roll cage, green chassis. The other one has a white chassis, I have to say. The top of the truck. The window detail has right there. Very nice. And of course the headlight printing with the casting. Green metal flake. BKT tires. Not BKT, but it says on the tires. So hope you enjoyed my 3 unboxings I did today, guys. More coming soon. Hope you enjoyed.